So yeah, this is a 48 channel mix light controller, and as you see it has some error. Well, the blackout button doesn't work. If you go to scene mode, it doesn't work at all that good. See all time lights on. So there inside some internal battery, and this is something sort of problem with just programs and software. Let's hope this will fix the problem. Okay, then you just open all these little bolts. There is one special one, but more or less you can get this with kit. Here is a multimeter, and next thing, just measure this if the battery works. And for me, well, you can see the battery works. So I'll just disconnect the battery, and we'll see if it will help, because to kind of should restart everything. Let's hope it will fix the problem. So after about 1 minute just waiting, I'll just connect back this one. When you have this connected back to electricity, well, you can try out with the power on how it will work. So just press this button and see if it will fix the problem. Definitely has made some changes. As you see, now the scene button kind of works alright. This is actually a good thing. Let's see if we can program something. I think it was, you had to press the special code there. Maybe you had to call like record down and press the button. Go for 1668. Okay, now you can see now it's in record mode. And let's try and record something, if it will kind of work. So let's do like this, this, and this, and let's record this one on like the 15 channel. And let's see if it works. Kind of something, it kind of work here. Well, yep. Okay, this function actually works good. Nice, that's good stuff. So this can solve the problem. Just disconnect the battery and wait a little bit. Thanks for watching and goodbye.